Yes, today we are early enough that we can sail into the Russian Bay. Whenever we came here it was too late, it was already dark, so we went in with the engine. Today we sail into this entrance. Reefs on the right, reefs on the left. Beautiful sailing. So we actually know each other from 2004, I think. So this is about 14 years ago. We met each other in
Vechegos.
Chagos.
Vechegos Island, yes.
Chagos is an atoll where nobody lives at, a lot of cruising people.
Yeah.
And you were the captain of a boat.
Help for the captain.
So you were cruising in Chagos?
Yeah.
And then?
We are cruising in Vechegos and we went to Maldives. And after Maldives, we went back to Vechegos again, and we went to Thailand, Malaysia.
And from Malaysia
and back again to Vechegos. After that we back to Madagascar.
So you are a seafarer actually, now on land.
Yeah.
So we make a cooking video today. What will we cook?
We will cook fish with a coconut, Malagasy specialty. And to start, mango salad. And after that, we have rice with romazava. Now we make the salad. Green mango, vitamin C. If it's too green, it's too hard to eat. Not complete green, but half green is better. The mango salad mixed with cucumber, carrots mixed with salad, onion, and a tomato. Nice fish, huh? This is yellowfin tuna. Nice fish. There's a lot of meat, no bones.
I'm cooking the milk of coconut. Should boil it for a while?
Yeah.
I put the fish in the cream. We eat salt. I put some saffron to make a color.
Because the milk is just about oily, the coconut, just the fish. You have to wait just for the fish.
So how many? 1 minute, 10 minutes?
Look like 10, 15. If you don't have a fresh coconut, you can use a coconut in the tin, in the can. Faster too.
But you need an opener.
You need the opener. If you don't have an opener, you can use a knife. But don't cut your hand.
But the taste?
Taste is just about the same. Salt, saffron. With the coconut milk, that's all. We just have them just straight. Now we'll start Malagasy soup called romazava. It's a dry shrimp with film bafana. Take all the sharp end on the shrimp and boil it well. Dry shrimp. Dried shrimp.
Why it must be dry shrimp?
Because before, nobody has a fridge. It's easy to have the dried shrimp. Even now, not too many people have a fridge yet. Not too many people. Put water on it. 1 tomato. It's ready to go on the fire. This plant you can find in Europe, and they call them paracress. It tastes spicy. Even you cannot put all these in a soup, it look like a chili pepper. Put the paracress in a shrimp soup. The paracress, if it's boiled in the soup, we have to take them away because it has to be a little bit, not too cooked, but just boiled. Ramazava.
How was the filming, huh?
Oh, it was okay.
A lot of work. Always stop, repeat. Please say again.
Okay.
I'm getting hungry. You too?